Animal picture game number 2. Are you ready? Can you guess before I say the name? First picture. Worm. Horse. Rhinoceros. Penguin. Toucan. Kangaroo. Zebra. This bird has a red breast. It's called a robin. A hen or chicken. Dolphins. How did you do with this round? Okay, next video, round 3.